In today's video, I'm going to show you how to clip on a fan on a CPU heatsink like this. On this particular heatsink, let me get this off first. You have two of the mounting screws here, and the fan goes here. So you have to mount the CPU heatsink first before you mount the fan. But the orientation of the fan has to be determined as well. So how do you want the air to flow? This side is where the air goes out. For example, this side is where the air goes this way. This side is where the air goes this way. That side goes this way. This side goes that way. So my CPU would be here, and my case chassis fan is here in the rear. So I want the airflow to go this way. So the way I would put this fan would be like this, or I could put it behind as well, like that. So the airflow goes this way. To put the clip on, it's quite simple. They all go on the same way, so you just put it in here like that. And you just clip it on basically. After you installed the mounting, after you mounted it onto your CPU or motherboard, you just push back on this, as you can see. Just snaps on like that. Get the other side. Here. And just snap it on like this. It's on pretty securely. So this is the way I want my CPU fan to be on. Like this, so the air flows this way to the chassis fan. So it comes in this way, goes out that way. The cool air comes in from the front, it goes out the rear. That's how the airflow should be. It should not be this way where the airflow is going over here, because the chassis fan is over there. You could put on another fan if you want. This one only came with one clip, but you could buy another clip, and you could buy another 120mm fan and put another CPU fan here, so the airflow goes this way. So the airflow would be faster if you put in another fan. It'd be twice as fast, which means it would cool twice as fast. So that's how you mount a CPU heatsink fan. So to get it out, you just push back on that, lift out like this, and get it out. Right now I haven't mounted it, so I'm just going to leave it off like that. That's how you mount a fan with clips on a CPU heatsink fan. If you want to know where you can get this, I'll leave this in the video descriptions below. Thank you for watching. Sorry about the fan noise, it's very hot, so I have to leave the fan on.